In 2017, recent settlement in the Steinhoff matter accounting irregularities were discovered at the Steinhoff Group. Shortly after that, the group's share price tumbled on both the Frankfurt and Johannesburg stock exchanges, eroding approximately 90% of the company's market capitalization. This ultimately led to the Steinhoff Group's external debt owed to its financial creditors exceeding 155 billion rand at the time. The South African Reserve Bank, in a statement, said the crisis threatened Steinhoff Group's continued existence and risked consequences, including forced asset sales, significant losses to the South African and foreign financial institutions and investors, and extensive job losses in South Africa and abroad. It also raised South Africa's reputation as one of the most robust and well-regulated financial markets in the world. Market analysts say the settlement amount will go to the state in a lump sum.
About 6.3 billion rands plus interest on that was seized by the SARB is going to be forfeited to the state. So the state's going to take that pretty much like a lump sum payment. And now it's going to allow IBEX Group, which is basically the company that's involved in this whole situation with regards to kind of cleaning up the mess that was Steinhoff, to basically fulfill the obligations it has internationally, etc., and pay off the people that need to be paid off.
Analysts say the settlement is a step closer to conclude the Steinhoff matter.
If you look at the severity and the scale, of this financial fraud, if you call it that, not that many people have been held to account. Maybe a handful of people have actually been sitting in jail, but clearly the main actor behind it all, the former CEO, unfortunately passed away, before he could be held to account. And then most importantly, those who actually suffered the losses have yet to get any remediation or any recompensation, in the form of those losses. So I think it remains to be seen, the strength of our enforcement agencies. So far, I would say this settlement, sort of takes us a step closer.
In a statement, the Reserve Bank says this final settlement is in the best interest of South Africa. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.